Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Goodwill bins haul. I went the other day, got some fun stuff I wanted to share with you. First and foremost, I found this basket. Now this was in a Goodwill out of my town, but I loved this basket. I like the shape. I'm going to use it on my front door and put some flowers in it and build like a summer wreath. But I think somebody made this. If you can see right here, SH, it says SH October of 97. And I would assume that this is hand painted as well. Now I'm gonna slide this little piece out, mainly because I don't need it for what I'm doing, but I wanna keep it. I think if I can get this tag off, I'm going to assume whoever SH is painted that. And I might incorporate it somehow in my little wreath. But I'm going to do this and hang it on my front door. And I already have the flowers, so that is exciting as well. And I'm going to put since whoever did this made it so she could put that, I'm going to put maybe a cat or something on front. So I got that for $2.99. And the day I was there, pink was half price, so I got this for $3. Now I use, oh, somebody's hair is in there. I use magnifying glasses all the time when I am doing cross stitching. And this is, I don't know if it's vintagey or not, to be honest with you. It looks like it is. This was the things that came in the package. Magnifier leaves hands free, distributed by Morisco Wholesale Company in New York. But this came from Japan. Yeah, this is definitely old. I don't know how old, but old enough. So what you do, and I will put a different string on it, but you put it over your head like this. And then you have your hands free to do your cross stitching. I don't like this string that she or he has chosen, and that's okay. I don't have to like that. I can put my own string in here. I love it. And I like it also that it's pretty compact. So we have that for $3. Hi, buddy. He's not feeling great today. And then this was also on clearance for half price. This was $2. I'm a mess. And I think it's a napkin holder, but also I'm thinking it can be used to hold like paper or my coffee filters even, I thought would be fun, or napkins on my counter. But I just really like the kind of Art Deco vibe. So it was $2. I hate this tape that they use. It gets all over everything. I mean, I know it's packing tape, but I don't love it. So at this trip, I spent $11 because I did cash up for some benefit. So I'll run this through my dishwasher, get it all tidied up, and then I'll use it. Okay, that was from the Goodwill store that I went to, which was a different store. They had a lot of like closeout new stuff, which I'm not interested in. I want vintage. It doesn't matter. All right, at the bins, I don't know how much I spent. I think like $15, $12 maybe. I got this game. This is a ring toss. I thought it would be kind of fun to put up at my pool maybe and let people play with it. Or the kids play ring toss games. I don't know. I thought it would be kind of fun at my condo. And it's a little heavy, so I probably paid a couple bucks for it because it's $2 a pound. I probably paid $2 for that. I got this sign. I don't know where it's from and I don't really care. But it just says Friends Gather Here. And I like it. I think it's a little big. I'm trying to find this. I don't know if that would work. No, that's a little big. But, oh. Now we have Alex. Nobody wants to see your butt. But it's wood and I like it. I'll put it out somewhere. I love the whole vibe. It's made in the USA. I don't know where it came from. to be fair. No idea, but I like it. Kind of prim, you know. I found these. I'm pretty sure these came from maybe Walmart or something. They're camping plates. Now, I got a set of 2. I'm not going to use these definitely for eat on this surface, but when I go camping or eat out, I can put my paper plate on here and it will give it some stability and hold anything that might slosh around or something, or if I need to cut, and then kind of keep these clean. But I thought they were great, and I do plan on going camping this summer, so I grabbed those. Just for crafting purposes, I got a grapevine wreath. It probably came from the Dollar Tree if I had to guess, or some similar, but it's fine. I liked it, and I will build some type of a wreath for spring or fall even on here. And I do like the wood, the grapevine. So I grabbed that. Oops, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm excited for this. I'm going to take them out of this case because it's just a little unnecessary for me to have them in a case, but they're paintbrushes. Isn't that exciting? I do need new paintbrushes. They're nice. They're nice quality. They're definitely, well, that might be a watercolor one, but it's a nice set of paintbrushes for crafting. And I have some crafting coming up, and I needed to replace some. I love this one. I have some painting coming up, and it's time. Like every once in a while, you need to just replace your paintbrushes because they get gross. So I was like, ooh, I'll get that because I've been throwing some away. So that is cool. I have 2 more things. We'll put that to the side. No peeking. I got this. I'm pretty sure it's a Ray Dunn, but I'm going to try to get this off because it's scratched up. But if you look behind me, I have cubes, and I love storing them in like metal baskets. There's a metal basket here, and over that way there's some metal baskets, and behind me, and so because I can see. And if I don't get around to scraping it off, I can just put it on this shelf this way and put like paint or whatever, ribbon. And I love this wooden handle. I got a lot of heavy stuff this time. I think it was like $13. Okay. Oh, maybe I have a receipt in here. Do I? I sure do. $11.12. But the pièce de résistance. You know someone's grandma made this. And I am here for it. It is a macrame with wooden beads Christmas tree. And I am dying. I am dying. You're in my video. Here, let's do it this way so we can... No, that's not going to work. Try and do a thumbnail. Okay, that's good. Macrame. I cannot wait for Christmas. I'm going to steam it and wipe it down just to make sure. But it's made with like acrylic. It's definitely not cotton. I don't care. I love it. All right. That is everything I scored this time around between the 2 Dollar Trees or the 2 Goodwills. I spent $22.12. But if you notice, I only got 3 things at the Goodwill store, and I got a ton of stuff at the outlet. And that's how it always is. I prefer the outlet just because I can get lots of fun stuff for cheap. But I also like the store because you get first pick. So I got what I wanted, and I'll be happy. And we're going to do some treasure transformations. So I hope you enjoyed this week's thrifting haul, and I will talk with you later. Bye.